Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got a weekly tool deal from Sears. So how you get to this page is you go to the Sears.com and then you go under tools and then just go to deals in tools. And after you do that, this page should, it just took me out of the page. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first item we have is the Craftsman 26-inch by 4 drawer heavy duty rolling cabinet in red, $188.99. Then we got the Craftsman 26-inch 6 drawer heavy duty top chest. So that's the chest that goes on top of this for $107.99. And then we got the Craftsman 26-inch 3 drawer heavy duty middle chest, red and black, $80.99. So it's the, I guess you could either stack two of these together or you could stack all three of them, you know. We got the Craftsman 26-inch 5 drawer open to heavy duty rolling cabinet, $251. It's a nice tool bag here, guys. I do have this one. It's been working real good, especially for $449. That's a great deal. It's pretty good material. Craftsman 13-inch tool bag for $449. And then you got the Craftsman 41-inch 6 drawer heavy duty cabinet in black. I personally like the black and red and matte black by just black basically. Those are probably my favorite colors, black and blue. And well, if there's any other toolbox colors, and green and orange and yellow, all those, but the best one, I think it's matte black. $584.99 for this one, and that's the 41-inch. This is a Craftsman 6 feet premium heavy duty workbench with butcher block top for $386.99 or yeah, 99. You got the Craftsman 19-inch toolbox with tray, black and red, $17.99. You got the Craftsman 52-inch 8 drawer top chest in red, $314.99. So this is the little bigger. This is the 52-inch, so this is gonna be a little bit more pricey, more expensive, but it's still an okay deal. Craftsman 52-inch 8 drawer top chest for $314.99. You got the Craftsman 52-inch 10 drawer heavy duty rolling cart in black for $404.99. So this is not a bad deal. It just depends on whether you like Craftsman or you like any other brand, but Craftsman seems to be an okay brand. I know they had, you know, they were everybody was buying Craftsman back in the days. Even I was raised Craftsman basically, and pretty much the tools, you know, somehow it just, other tool brands came in and they just started taking over the tool business here, and so Craftsman hasn't sold as much as they used to probably. Craftsman 26-inch wide 2 drawer standard duty middle chest in black, $62.99. That's the one that goes on the top of that. Craftsman 26-inch wide 4 drawer standard ball bearing rolling tool cabinet in black. And this is that's $143.99. This is the Craftsman 4 drawer 26 open tilt top chest for $224.99. You got the Craftsman 8 drawer standard ball bearing mobile workbench for $359. It's a nice color. All these are nice. The black ones. Got the Craftsman non-slip foam drawer liner for $8.99. Craftsman magnetic tool organization panel, $17.99. Craftsman 26-inch by 13 drawer heavy duty ball bearing 3-piece chest combo, red and black, $397. You got the Gimax or Gmax, yeah, Gimax 6 drawer rolling tool chest removable tool storage cabinet with sliding drawers, key locking, $214. And all these, what you could do is you can order them online, and it's better if you have it shipped to the store near you. That's probably the best way to do it. Gold Plus 2-piece mini tool chest cabinet storage, box rolling garage tool top organizer, $112.99. You got the Stanley rivet tool kit, $24.16. I'm not gonna go over the rest of the stuff because it's not a tool. Let's see here. I want to look at this one. Click to zoom. It's a nice set. Comes with 2 ratchets and sockets, some bits there, and a metal box, which is nice. Let's see here. Yeah, that's nice. Little tool chest. Or all right, let me go back. Let's see if here if I can go back. It's not letting me go back. Okay. Well, I'm not doing that again because it takes a long time to get back. Anyways, that's the Craftsman 130-piece mechanics tool set with 16-inch metal hand box, $59.99. You got the Craftsman 108-piece mechanics tool set for $49.97. It's not a bad deal there. You got the jack stands, Craftsman 2.25 jack stands for $22.49. This is not a bad deal either. Craftsman 31-inch by 31-inch 2-drawer mechanic tool cart for $116.99. Not a bad deal at all, especially because it's like the snap-on style. Nice. Or the Blue Point. Craftsman, yeah, it opens up like, I think it opens up like it slides out on the top on that cart. Craftsman 58-piece mechanics tool set with storage case, $26.99. You got the Craftsman 4-ton low-profile high-lift service jack, $170.99. Craftsman 178-piece mechanics tool set with metal hand box, $119. Craftsman 230-piece mechanics set tool set with tool bag, $89.99. You got the Craftsman 320-piece mechanics tool set, $129.99. Got the Craftsman 165-piece mechanics tool set for $62.99. And you got some sprayer painter, 3000 psi, 5/8 horsepower, high pressure airless paint sprayer, $191.95. And then you got Altel auto locking AL 319 OBD2 scan reader for $34.88. And then you got a Launch X431, I guess the same thing, scan reader, $145. And then you got a Launch X431 for $1,000. That's probably this one and this one are probably the mechanics, the people that do this professionally. That's probably what they're. I heard good things about this. So I know somebody made some comments on the tool or the mechanics tool group, and they were saying good things about this one. So do your research before you buy, especially if you're going to be spending this amount. And this is the Altel Maxis Elite Automotive Diagnostic Tool for $27.50. Best-selling high accuracy OBD2 scanner, $64.99. Best-selling new garage injector test kit for $39.96. And this is the cylinder compression tester for $20.98. The best value, heavy-duty discs. What is this? 12 piece brake caliper piston compressor, $12.99. And then you got the first buy clearance for the compressor. There's this brake pad too in case. So I guess they're saying about this tool is used on the when you do a brake job and you want to compress the piston so you can fit the new brakes in. What I use the regular clamp, and then I use the old what is it, brake pad, and just do it the old-fashioned way. That's the way I do it. So I don't know if that's the right way or not, but that's the way I do it at least. First buy clearance heavy duty fuel pump pressure fuel injection pressure tester, $21.09. See if we got more eye-catching. Here's one heavy duty. Oh, same thing. This is some paintless dent repair kit. $6.75. Haven't seen that before. It's a nice little deal here. Craftsman 20 volt max cordless drill driver and impact driver combo kit for $107.99. It's not a bad deal for a little 20 volt combo. That's probably the drills, the old drills that they used to have. Probably from the other, because I know they have some new ones. It's probably not these. Yeah, it doesn't look like these. This is the Craftsman 300 piece drill bit set for $31.49. Got the Craftsman 208 piece ultimate screwdriver bit set for $17.99. So not bad deals. Craftsman 50 piece drill and driving bit set for $8.99. Best selling clearance high 5 pieces. Step bits for $28.69. 13 piece titanium coated bit set hex shank. Full plastic $5.99. You got another bit set here. Go step bit set. Got a Craftsman saw, 10 inch job site table saw, $3.14. You got a belt sander, 3x21, $67.49. Motorcycle TV jack or ATV jack. Got a reciprocating saw, $53.99. You got wire strippers, automatic crimping pliers, $5.68. You got a gear wrench 32 piece ratcheting combination. It's not on sale. It's $159.99. So if you guys want to get that, wait until it goes on sale. They usually go on sale. This is the Craftsman 20 piece drive tool accessory set, $29.99. Craftsman Extreme Grip 3/8 drill drive ratchet, $17.99. That's the Craftsman 14 piece inch and metric ratcheting combination wrench set for $71.99. So the ratcheting is nice. Craftsman 3 piece hex handle breaker bar set, $22.49. Evolve 10 piece deep impact socket set for $26.99. Craftsman 10 piece metric socket set wrench set for $8.99. You got the same thing, but it's the same thing. Gear wrench 44 piece 3/8 drive, standard metric. That's not on sale. And this is the compressor 26 gallon, $305.99. And that's the 6 gallon, 1.1 horsepower, $143. And then you got the Craftsman oil free 3 gallon portable horizontal air compressor, $80.99. Then you got the 20 gallon oil free, $197.99. Got a nice gauge here. I gotta get myself something like this. Best-selling air tire inflator with the accuracy digital pressure gauge. I gotta get me something like that. $18.96. Happy deal. Okay, I'm not gonna go over these. Garage openers. It's a nice work table there with some clamps. Well, it's a nice workbench. Gold Plus red workbench, storage steel, worktop, table drawer, pegboard. $82.99. I'm not gonna go over the rest of this page. Well, actually, I changed my mind. I will go over it because there's a lot of good tools here. This one's the Craftsman 17-piece screwdriver set for $24.29. See, combination tap die, carbon steel. Let's see here, Craftsman 2-piece plier set, $22.49. You got a vise, $62.99. You got some 14-piece screwdriver set for $17.99. See what else they got. A shop vac for $80.99. Pocket light, various colors, $4.49 to $6.29. You got 26-piece combination wrench set, $35.99. It's a lot of pieces right there. Micro torque wrench for $44.99. It's the ratcheting. Oh, this is nice. See, that's like the one we saw on the other page, and this one's on sale for $44.99. So if you guys want to get a ratcheting set, this is a great set to get. Gear wrench 20-piece ratcheting combination set. Craftsman 3-piece adjustable wrench set for $26.99. 10-piece for $17.99. A 20-piece for $53. And this is ratcheting. A torque wrench for $2. Oh yeah, it's a high-end torque wrench. You got a Milwaukee dual bevel sliding compass miter saw, corded electric brake steel, $707.41. Didn't know Sears carried Milwaukee. Milwaukee 20 deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $279. It's a nice little set here. 30-piece set for $13.99. Alright, yeah, I'm not going to keep going with this because this video is going to be too long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.